Hey, I'm Fish, and it's a t-shirt weather day. No, it's a jacket day, but it's awfully warm, and the breeze is kicking, and we're with the internal audio sound of the Extra 80. That guy, he just had no respect for anybody, and he went right around. I have to be careful. I got my Extra Muse with me. It's on front of the bicycle. As you can see, I don't want to use it if it's on the clamp because it shakes and wobbles. Today, I transplanted, taking the brush in the front. I got all three done. I did it nice and comfortable. One at a time, took a rest on each one, and I got it done. I didn't video it. I just did it. Where is everybody? It's awfully quiet, and it's mid-morning. I did my yelling test. I think I'm gonna head to the shore, not to the beach. It's a little windy. I'm gonna go sit on up, do a little highlight. So as we ride along, you get to where we need to be at without the DJI mic for the 80, just for the Muse. And off we go. Just for your information, I hold my camera always in hand to get that buttery smooth shot. Little hill climb. Can't get into the area I want to get in, but we can get to the end and do a little talk. I'm not gonna fall. I just wasn't balanced right. I got two cameras shooting side by side. You could choose where the sun is over here. A little bit off the screen, facing towards me, would be like 11 o'clock by 11 o'clock. And I don't have to yell. It gives you a fantastic color on a very bright, sunny day, which we call past the glory hour. You know, the hour that is the golden hour. And this is new. This thing must have came from somebody. And it won't get out of here. It'll be here for a long time. You could decide which camera you like. The Extra 80, really down on a low price. Probably got to wait till Black Friday again for $199, $189, $199. And it's going back up. It's already back up. And the Extra Muse was $299, $289. $299 for sure. And it's going to just climb right back up there. But don't worry, you can get a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for $329, $339. It came down to its lowest price, spring break time. How sweet is that? We're doing a second shot for the reason of I had low light on the Extra Muse. And now we have video mode. And the Extra 80, you can't turn off low light. It's automatic. It depends what it wants to shoot. These cameras don't have a color sensor on the outside showing, like the DJI and the Extra Edge and Edge Pro. They're built into the sensor, and the sensor picks it up and tells the electronics what to do. So you may have to adjust the shutter speed and somewhat other things. We're going to pack it on up and get on going. This was my highlight of the talk. So let's get back on the bike. Well, I got other things to do. I got to come back down here and start to blow up a SUP. You know what a SUP is? Stand-up paddleboard. Let's get going. I don't like taking my bike down to the beach and get it on the sand because this sand sticks all over the place. Don't stink. It's like a oily sand. It stays on you. You can't get it off. The wind is kicking. Let's get on going. I don't have to go a great distance. I go pretty far for my age. And I get to where I need to be at, do what I want to do, and have my fun on the out. Well, I gotta go and meet up with Joe again, take care of beeswax, man. Let's get on going. Well, I did my springtime ride. I got one in on this time. Time to get many, many more and get on going. Well, tag along, come along, share along, go along. I'm Fish.